I'm Valerie with RV Sales in Moriarty, New Mexico, and I just wanted to take a couple minutes and show you some maintenance that you should do for your hot water heater. It's a good idea to clean it out from time to time. You have an annode rod inside of there that helps keep the tank from dissolving the tank itself. It actually dissolves that annode rod, but lots of times you end up with lots of extra debris and buildup. It's a really good idea to make sure that you clean it out, depending on how often you use your trailer. Twice a year if you're full-timing in it. If you're just a weekend warrior, at least once a year when you winterize is a good idea. I make this handy wand that you can put up inside of there. That's where the annode rod goes normally. You turn on your water and you spray it all around, and you can see all that debris that's coming out of there. It's a very good idea to get rid of that. Okay, so you'll unscrew your annode rod, and as long as you have this extra protectant around here, your annode rod is good. Once it gets down to where it looks like just the centerpiece and it's about the diameter of a clothes hanger, that's when you want to replace this so that it will continue to protect your hot water heater. And then of course you grab your water with this extra little wand with a bend at the end so you can do a good job of spraying it out. If you're smarter or luckier than us, you get to do this whenever it's a warmer day than this, so when you get sprayed in the face, it's not quite as cold. As we wait for more water to drain back out of there, you can see this is all the debris that we got out of here so far. We're going to let this continue to drain a little bit more, and then we're going to put it back inside of there and do it again. You're going to repeat this process until the water starts coming out more clear and you don't get big chunks coming out of your hot water heater. And then once that's all drained out, you can put your annode rod back in and continue with your happy travels. Again, this is Valerie and Kevin at RV Sales in Moriarty, New Mexico, giving you some helpful tips for your water heater maintenance.